Hello traders, welcome to the show at Quality FX Trading. Today is 5th of September. Today it was a slow day, especially during the New York session. And as you know, that was because it was a holiday in US, and that's why market is basically slow and consolidating. The way that market has moved during the Asian session and London session was exactly the same as we have forecasted in our weekly forecast video. Those who didn't have the chance to watch it, I request them to go and watch and see how we are emphasizing on the levels, and you can understand the real price action and how the price is moving based on the logics we are explaining to you every day. So, based on the first scenario we have explained to you, price pushed to the downside, and then we got the retracement exactly to the level which we have highlighted yesterday. We were talking about this H1 imbalance, the pink line. This candle's low and this candle's high. And inside this H1 imbalance, there is a fair value gap in the 15-minute chart, which is the lower time frame. We didn't still reach to that area, but that is going to happen either by the rest of today or during the Asian session on Tuesday up to pre-market in the London session. So based on the price action which we have observed today on Monday, we can see this weekly target is going to break by this week. And most probably, I'm saying most probably, because nothing is 100% in trading. But definitely we can put higher chance for this to happen by tomorrow on Tuesday. So this is what we see, that this weekly target will break by tomorrow, and we may see the continuous bearish order flow for the rest of the week, meaning that after the breaking this weekly target, you may still see price is pushing to the downside. Or the second scenario could be the reaction to this level. I'm emphasizing on this level since last week, and we will visit this level. And just make sure when we reach to this level, if you already have sell trade, take some profit or even take full profit based on the reaction you will see on this weekly target. By reaction, I mean you have to observe 15-minute chart or 1 hour chart to see if you are getting sign of reversal in form of market structure shift and giving you perfect displacement to the upside, by making reasonable fair value gap, which can be tradable to the upside. So I will definitely explain more when we reach to this area, most probably by Tuesday. We will see how we can read the price action at this level. So stay tuned and watch all our daily reviews during the week. Day by day, you can understand the price action logic better. So if you are watching our analysis and you already watch our weekly forecast, and you can see how perfectly we are analyzing and we are reading the market price action based on the logics that we are explaining to you easily. Please give us thumbs up, like our videos, and leave us comment, as when we see we have enough audience, we will definitely give you more, and we are planning for course series and even online trading, live trading sessions with you, so you can get benefit out of those stuff. So don't forget to give us thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and share our videos for the better stuff to come up. Okay, so let me continue this daily session. Before wrapping up the session, I just want to emphasize to you, tomorrow on Tuesday, again, you may see the price to go higher, to go inside this 1 hour imbalance, and here you should look for the sell setup. So sell from here to the downside, and don't forget, from this high to this low, we already reached actually to the 50% of this price move, which we call it as equilibrium level. So when we go inside this H1 imbalance, then we will be inside premium level. So when you are waiting for the sell setup, you should consider, especially in the trending market, you should consider to find the right sell setup above equilibrium level at the premium level to sell. So whatever price action we see above this pink line, which is actually above the equilibrium level, we call it at premium level. So it's always good to sell at premium and to buy at discount level. So this is the important point which you have to consider. When you are trying to sell, always better to look for the premium level. Because in that level, you can find the proper setup and you can get less risky trade. And in another word, actually you can get a setup with less risk, so you can keep small stop loss and take a big win. Just imagine if you are going to sell in this area, how you are going to get a small risk, and up to this weekly target, it's gonna be a nice trade with the risk to reward like 1 to 5, 1 to 6. That would be perfect, wouldn't it be? So don't forget to always look for sell setup in the premium level. It means above the equilibrium or 50% of the previous high to low move. Okay, this is the high and this is the low. And you can also consider if you are going to go inside this daily FVG. So if you couldn't find a sell setup here, don't rush and don't push yourself. Wait for the price to go inside this daily fair value gap and at the same time sweep this liquidity pool above this high, you can see, and then we will wait for the sell setup to happen. So we are going to wait for sell setup either inside this H1 imbalance or inside this fair value gap above these highs. By sweeping this high, we may get quickly sell setup in the 5-minute chart, and then we can sell, and target will be the weekly target at 1.1400 estimatedly. So this is what you want to see for tomorrow, Tuesday. I hope this has been informative to you and it was helpful for your trading, and I would like to thank you for viewing.